What's up everybody, my name is Lauren Lifka. I am a full-time hairstylist in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and I do hair in my own studio suite called L Squared Hair Studio. Today we're going to be showing you some light sourcing with Blonde AF with a semi-permanent overlay. My model Alex came in today with a level 6 natural hair, no pre-lightening chemical treatment whatsoever. So light sourcing is a way that we can play around with a money piece. We can get that halo all the way around the hair and really brighten up right around the face, kind of like if you're right in front of a ring light like I am right now. So to start, I'm going to mix up a 1:2 ratio with 20 volume, and I'm going to start my application on the sides with a weave followed by 4 slices. So after we complete both sides, we're going to hit the nape of the neck, do the same type of placement in both sides of the nape. And then once that's all applied, we're going to let that sit for about 50 minutes until I'm reaching a level 9. So we're going to rinse this out, grab some shampoo, and get ready for our semi-overlay. So for our semi-overlay, we utilized 3 separate green formulas and 2 separate purple formulas. Before we go in with our semis, we're going to do a little bit of a trim, add some carved texture, and some movement to our style. So as I'm applying my semi-overlay, I am going through and I'm thinking about where I want contrast. So where I want a contour or highlight, and that's how I'm choosing how I am going to blend my color melt. So we're going to let that process for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to rinse with high pressure and ice cold water. Alrighty, now I'm going to do a quick style, and here's the finished look. So we got some really bright pops right in that face framing. We got some blend throughout while holding on to a lot of that natural level 6. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you grabbed something that you can go and play with behind the chair. I'm Lauren Lifka, and I'll catch you all later.